how to report or delete someone's Facebook account. Now, this is going to be for legal and appropriate tutorial for you to do it this kind of method. First things first, if we take a look on this example right here, just simply press on the three dots, then go to report photo or report this post. So let's tap on this. Now, there's going to be a bunch of options involving the report that you would like to submit for Facebook customer support. For example, I don't want to see this. So these are going to be the steps that we can take for us to be able to unfollow or have that specific post to be removed. So block that specific certain page and hide all from that specific certain page. And you can also check via the contact preferences. Now Facebook is going to be checking on that if it's going to be applicable for removal or the deletion of the account or not. So that's it. That's how you report a post or delete someone's Facebook account.